Carrot curry is a delicious and nutritious dish that is easy to make at home. Here is a simple recipe for making carrot curry. Ingredients: 4 to 5 carrots, peeled and diced. 2 tablespoons oil, canola, vegetable or olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. A half teaspoon red chili powder, optional. Salt to taste. Water as needed. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped for garnishing, optional. Instructions: heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and fry until they start to pop. Add finely chopped onions and minced garlic, and sauté until the onions are soft and translucent. Add diced carrots to the pan and mix well to coat the carrots with the onion and garlic mixture. Add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder if using, and salt to taste. Mix well and cook for a few minutes. Add a little water to the pan and cover it with a lid. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes over medium heat until the carrots are tender but not mushy. Once the carrots are cooked, remove the lid and cook for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally until any excess liquid has evaporated. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves, optional, and serve hot with rice or roti. Your carrot curry is now ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy the delicious flavors and nutritional benefits of this healthy dish.